First, need to open the door and check inside of the machine. You can see inside is the electrical diagram and user manual. Also, you can find the drain pipe and water filter, two piece. For all washing machine, stabilization is very important. You can adjust the stabilization for adjustment height free. All washing machine have a transport safety pins. Before start the machine, need to remove all transport safety pins. For this, need to remove the cover. First, upside cover. After remove all connection bolts, need to remove the upside cover. For remove transport safety pins, need to remove the right and left side cover. Also, we have a bolt inside of this cover. Need to remove also. After remove all bolts, you can remove the cover. Now you can see inside of the machine transport safety pins. Need to remove these parts completely. Other side of machine have the same system, transport pins. It should be removed before installation. For electric connection, we are using same system like the other machine. I need to open the electrical panel area. For electric connection, same like these other machines. The ground, the neutral, and 3 phases. Also, we have an external chemical line for all machines. This plug for external chemical line. If your laundry have an external chemical, you can connect here for signal. This is dry contact. For water connection, we are sending this filter. First, we need to connect the filter, but this is important, the filter way. Hot water and cold water. Need to fix this connection. Need to connect the pipe and fix. It is necessary for our machines hot water and cool water. If you have only cold water, need to use the jumper line, because we are using the hot water line for cleaning the chemical area. For drain connection, we are using this pipe for this area. Also, we are sending the bracelet to fix this connection. We are using this area for lubricate machine. 200 working hours or 25 days for maintenance period for lubricate. After all connection is complete, need to close the electrical panel area. And need to start the machine with power on. Now machine is ready for start. The blue color, it's mean standby mode. First, you need to press anywhere on the control screen and press the confirm. All washing system machines have a two control system. One is automatical program, second is a manual control. Our customer using the automatical system, we loaded the laundry program on the panel. You can select any program from here and after press the continue and start again, continue. The program is starting automatically. First step, every time the water intake and chemical and other things, they continue. For second using system is a manual, press the manual. You can select any step, for example, washing. You can press the start and machine asking time and RPM and way, double way or one way. You can select anything and start the machine. Now you can see machine is working, is a washing step. Also you can see the LED light is a green. It's mean machine is working. If any emergency situation or any failure, you can see on this place the red color. And press the alarm button and you can check which alarm is active. After for reset, press the reset and press the close. For program write or edit, need to press program write edit button. After that, need to select any empty area for write new program. And press program edit. You can write program name, for example test. You can select right side, program step, water intake. You can select water type. You can select heating, you can select water level. Also you can select rotation type. When you select double way, you can adjust the RPM. You can adjust the rotation time, right or left side, and wait time. Now first step is ready. If need, you can select heating and select heating temperature. And also you can select rotation type. When you select washing, if need heating, you can select heating. You can adjust time, all step, RPM, and rotation time and duration time, it's adjustable. Now first block is ready. If you want to edit, need to select and press edit. After that, you can select any step to edit. When you press edit, you can change anything inside of the step. And when press save, it's changed. For chemical message, you can write any chemical name. Also, you can add any step on this program. Machine have only internal chemical name. You can select chemical area. For extraction, need to select extraction step. You can adjust extraction time, drain type, and extraction speed. Speed 4 is maximum. When press save, program is completely ready.